Within the past 2 weekends, we've had our Special Olympic basketball compete from the 5-year-olds to 15 last Saturday, which we had like 450 participants. And this weekend we had another 350 participants, which is our 16-year-olds and plus. There's 3 skills that they compete in: the spot shooting, the dribbling, and the target shoot. Once they get those 3 events done, then they come to the cafeteria and they receive their awards depending on what place they came in. You're gonna get their all. They've been preparing for this competition, and they really try their best, of course, but more importantly, they get to participate no matter what level they're at.
I was very proud because I knew I could do it. It feels good participating and trying my best to win.
I want to encourage the teachers to keep doing what they're doing and getting our students involved to want to participate. So not only the teachers, but also the parents. If they continue to do that, this event will keep on going on for many, many years.